On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you.
Bowling. Go bowling. Do you want to go bowling with us? Fishing. Go fishing. John always goes fishing at Lake George on the weekend. Swimming. Go swimming. We went swimming on Saturday. Running. Go running. Did you go running this morning? Hiking. Go hiking. We're going to do some hiking this summer. Ice skating. Go ice skating. Jane goes ice skating with her parents.
Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.